Hey everyone, it's Mikayla. So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. On this particular day I was getting ready for my best friend's baby shower. She's having a girl, so that's why I'm using a pink scrunchie from Supre, which you haven't seen yet, but you'll see it in just a second. I'm starting this look off by using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in light beige. I literally love this foundation so much. It's definitely worth the money in my opinion. Everything that I'm using in this video, by the way, is vegan and cruelty free, so if you wanted to know about that, then there you go. This foundation blends so amazingly. I love it so much. It's such a perfect shade for me as well. I didn't know beige would like suit my skin tone, but apparently it does. It's probably going to be too light for me though, because we're coming into summer in Australia and I'm going to tan a lot. By the way, this is the newest member of my family. I haven't introduced him yet. He's called Stormy. He's amazing. Anyway, yeah. The next product I'm using is this e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer in Light. I honestly do not like this concealer, like if I'm being honest. Like it's very cakey, very thick, and I just don't like it. But the only reason I'm using it is because one, I don't have any other concealer that I have because I don't buy that much makeup. And I spent my money on it, so I want to use it till, you know, I don't want to waste it. So that's why I'm using it. Just know that I don't actually like this concealer and it does not cover everything. By the way, if you wanted to see Snowy, then here she is. I did a video with her if you haven't seen it. Literally every time I say kisses, she like bobs her head and like expects kisses from me. It's so cute. I'm using the W7 Very Vegan Sheer Loose Powder. I don't know how I feel about this powder. Yeah, I fucked up so bad. Like the blending, oh my god, it was horrible. Then I'm going in with the Very Vegan Matte Bronzer in Sunkissed. This is my favourite bronzer ever. I love this bronzer so much. Like it blends so amazingly, suits my skin complexion or tone, sorry. So good. Well, I think it does anyway. If it doesn't, let me know so I don't embarrass myself anymore. Yeah, I took a photo with flash to see if there's any flashback from the loose powder. There wasn't, so that's a good thing, I guess. Then I'm using the Very Vegan Highlighting Powder in Nature's Glow. Yeah, that's what it's called, Nature's Glow. I really like this highlighter. It is so beautiful. I really want to get my hands on the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost highlighters though. Like I cannot wait to use them. Then I'm using the e.l.f. Blush Palette in Dark. I know I don't have a dark complexion, but it was like $2, so I got it. It was like on clearance, so I got it. I only used the one shade that I'm using now in it, and yeah, I really like it. Then I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Stick thing in Ivory. I don't really know. I hate this brow stick thing. I'm only using it because I have no other brow product. And the brush that I was using originally, which you would see, did not do very well. And I had to switch brushes to the one that I'm using now. Then I'm using the Australis Tint My Brow. I don't know what colour this is in. I'm assuming it'd be brown. It was on sale for $3, so I got it. I fucked up so bad on my eyebrows in this video. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I don't normally do my eyebrows this dark. Like, if you see any of my other videos, like, I don't know, I'm just not comfortable having such dark brows. Then I'm using the Balm Meat Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know what shade this is called. I probably should have checked, but I didn't. But yeah, it's like you would have seen it in the video. Yeah, I love this palette so much. I have like e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes, but they just don't blend very well, and I just don't like them. And this is the only eyeshadow palette I've ever used that doesn't irritate my eyes. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, I don't know how that works, but normally my eyes get so irritated from eyeshadow, and I think it's probably just the ingredients in there. I have like really sensitive eyes. Like it's a problem. I should probably like have eye drops or something, but I just don't. The next product I'm using is a liquid eyeliner, which I didn't show you because it was out of the frame and it was so hard to do. And then I'm using the Very Vegan mascara. This was less than $5, so extremely affordable. This video is like not sponsored, by the way, just letting you know that. And in this clip, I was testing out to see whether a bun would suit like this look better, and I ended up doing a bun, which you'll see later on. I was just doing the lip balm to begin with. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. Wait, this is confusing. moving on. Now I'm using the lip balm in Bare Kiss. I use this every single day. Best lip balm. Actually, it's the only lip balm I have, but yeah, I use it every single day. Yeah, now I'm doing the bun, and I don't know what to say in the period of me doing this, but yeah, just watch. So this is the completed makeup look. Very natural, although for me this is like way too much makeup. Anyway, there's Hayden. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and follow my social media. Thank you so much for watching as well.